Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually check your Dstv Smartcard number. So this number will actually help you to activate or do any registration on your decoder. Alright, every decoder have its own unique Smartcard number. So to check your Explora Decoder Smartcard number, the normal place the Smartcard number on the box or at the back of the decoder itself. And you can also use the settings menu to actually check. So you got to pick up your remote and press on the blue button, that's the DSTV logo, which will take you to the menu. And when you come here, use the arrow left and right keys and you look for help. So when you find help, come down to the general information and you come to the first option, that's the information central right here. And on the first of the list, we have the SC, that's the number we start with, SC 1060185549. That's the smart card number or the IUC number of your Explora decoder. And you can also check it from here. The CA start over here. Okay, we have the first number, that's the SC serial number over there, 1062. Alright. So that's it, and you can use it to do anything that you wanna use it to. So if it happens to be that today is the first time watching this channel, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.